Merhaba, salam alaikum, and welcome to today's video. As you probably already saw in the thumbnail, today's video is going to be about this delicious recipe for preparing this green bean pizza. This is a mouth-wateringly looking and tasty recipe, which doesn't require a lot of ingredients and is also rather simple to make. For now, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Firstly, start off with mixing everything in a mixing bowl by hand or with a food processor. The recipe for the exact ingredients will be shown throughout the video. Keep adding either water or flour until the dough is soft and firm, but not dry. Let it then sit to rise for about at least 45 minutes to an hour. Now while the dough is rising, it's time to prepare the toppings for the pizza. Start with chopping up some onions and paprika. Heat up a pan with some olive oil and add those to the pan. In a separate pot, boil some water and add in the frozen green beans until they're soft and cooked through. Then afterwards cut the green beans as shown and mix them with the onions and paprika in the other pan. Don't forget to season everything as well. Now this is how the dough should look like after it has risen. Separate the dough into 3 to 4 parts and roll them out on a floured surface. Afterwards, spread some tomato sauce on the dough. Then add the green bean mixture from earlier right on top, along with some shredded cheese as shown. Repeat that to the other pieces of dough as well, or choose any other toppings of your liking for the pizzas. And this is how everything should look like when it's all done and cooked. Hope you enjoy this tasty recipe. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video and recipe, and even try to recreate it sometime. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and comment down below how you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell while you're at it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.